Remove dust, grease, or makeup on the face and neck with makeup remover. Clean face and neck with cleanser. Apply toner. Apply massage cream evenly on the face and neck and gently massage for 3 times. Use both hands to move in circular motions from chin to earlobe with middle and ring fingers. Then press 长江人 24, 一风 Triple Energizer 17 3 times. Use both hands to move in a C shape from chin to lips, then from lips back to chin with middle and ring fingers. Then press 长江人 24, 人中 226 3 times. Massage in circular motions from chin to ear gate. Press 地仓 stomach 4, 颊车 stomach 6, 听宫 small intestine 19. Lift with middle and ring fingers in the front of the ear, then knit earlobe with thumb and index finger 3 times. Massage in circular motions from nose wing to temple. Then press 迎香 large intestine 20, 全疗 small intestine 18, the temple 3 times. Massage in circular motions from nose wing to inner eye corner. Then press 鼻通 EM7, 睛明 bladder 1. Then massage from the brow bone above the inner eyebrows to canthus. Then press 攒竹 bladder 2, 鱼腰 EM3, 四柱空 Triple Energizer 23, and then 童子疗 gallbladder 1 3 times. Push 球后 EM3, 长气 stomach 1, 四白 stomach 2, 睛明 bladder 1, from canthus all the way to the front area of the eye 3 times. Massage in circular motions from forehead to hairlines, from the center to the sides, and press 印堂 EM2, 神庭 224, and then the temple. Move both hands from hairlines back to the chin 3 times. Alternate both hands to lift from lower jaw to submalar triangle with middle and ring fingers in tapotment 3 times. Do the same on the other side. Slide from 印堂 EM2 to inner eye corner along lower eyelid to temple. From 睛明 bladder 1 to canthus along upper eyelid with 4 fingers together 3 times. Move around the eyes as if writing figure 8 3 times. Alternate both hands to lift from lower eyelid to temple with middle and ring fingers 3 times. Lift eye area to temple with scissor hand gesture 3 times. Do the same on the other side. Combine with hands, move in lines and lift one line after another from chin to temple 3 times. Lift the corner of the eyes towards the hairline 3 times. Lift towards hairlines on forehead 3 times. Do the same on the other side. Gently massage neck with both hands 3 to 5 times. On one side, alternately lift the lower jaw and double chin to pass behind the ear and under the armpit 3 times. Push downwards with hand spread and huko pointing upwards, tracing 3 meridian channels from the neck to the armpit 3 times. Push downwards with 4 fingers, tracing 3 meridian channels from neck to the armpit 3 times. Push downwards with kneeling fingers till the neck turns hot and slide to the armpit 3 times. Do the same on the other side. Wash face and neck clean. Apply RF cream on the whole face evenly. RF eye anti-aging. RF helps stimulate subcutaneous collagen regeneration, lift the corner of the eyes, reduce fine lines, prevent skin sagging, and delay skin aging. Adjust the parameters, set the energy level at 4, mode to the smart mode for the customer. Lift from lower eyelid to temple 3 to 5 times. Lift from canthus to hairlines 3 to 5 times. Combined with hand, lift from lower eyelid to temple, canthus to hairline 3 to 5 times. Lift from inner eye corner to upper eyelid to the end of the eyebrow 3 to 5 times. Do the same on the other side. RF facial anti-aging. RF helps stimulate subcutaneous collagen regeneration, lift skin, delay skin aging, relaxation, and sagging. Adjust parameters, set the energy level at 5, mode A, which is also the default mode. Move in small circles from chin up to temple 3 to 5 times. Lift from chin to earlobe, corner of the mouth to ear gate, nose wind to temple 3 to 5 times. Combine with the hand, lift from chin to earlobe, corner of the mouth to ear gate, nose wind to temple 3 to 5 times. Lift from submalar triangle to hairlines 3 to 5 times. Lift from forehead to hairlines 3 to 5 times. Do the same on the other side. RF neck anti-aging. RF helps stimulate subcutaneous collagen regeneration, fade necklines, and reduce double chin. Adjust parameters, set the energy level at 6, mode to default mode. Coupled with hand massage, lift double chin to pass behind the ear and slide to the armpit 3 times. Move the probe in circles on one side of the neck to pass under armpit 3 times. Slide the device from external clavicle to the armpit 3 to 5 times. Move the device in circles on the whole neck area 3 times. Coupled with hand, lift the entire neck in parallel lines 3 to 5 times. Do the same on the other side. Wash face and neck clean. Apply hydro masks on face and neck. Wait for 10 minutes. Remove masks and wash face and neck clean. Apply repair stock solution evenly all over the face. Cold hammer skin repair. Cold hammer helps calm and repair the skin, reduce redness and swelling, shrink pores for faster product penetration. Adjust parameters, set energy level at 8, mode A, and then the cold hammer mode. From chin to earlobe, corner of the mouth to ear gate, nose wind to temple, back and forth 3 times. Do the same on the other side. Move from forehead to hairlines, back and forth 3 times. Apply facial mask, eye masks, neck mask together with LED phantom treatment. Microcurrents and LED phantom treatment activates the deep cells, tightens skin, and shrink pores. Red LED light activates collagen and boosts skin metabolism. Adjust parameters, set energy at 4, mode A, and then set the LED phantom color to red and always on. Using stamp technique, move the probe from point to point until covering the entire face. Remove masks and wash face clean. Apply toner, essence, emulsion, cream, and sunscreen.